So, effect of the environmental factors on the viral particles or on the different viruses. Effect of the chemicals. Chemicals are very important external factors which can affect the viruses. Most of the chemicals are quite capable to kill most of the microorganisms present in the environment. However, the same chemicals, whether they are capable to kill the virus or not, we will see them in detail, what kind of the chemical and how they are capable of killing the virus or bacteria. Germicidal chemicals used to disinfect and sterilize the, especially for the different kind of the environments, how they are used and how they sterilize. First of all is the sterilants. They are quite capable of destroying all kind of the organisms, including the endospores and heat sensitive critical instruments. They are used as the heat sensitive and critical instruments inside. Then the high level disinfectants. These are capable of destroying most of the organisms, viruses, vegetative cells. However, they will not kill the endospores and they are used as semi-critical instruments. Then there are intermediate level disinfectants which can destroy the vegetative bacteria, mycobacteria, fungi and most of the viruses. However, they will disinfect the non-critical instrument. They are used as disinfect the non-critical and the instruments. Then last of them, then the low level disinfectants which are quite capable of destroying the fungi, we quite capable of destroying the vegetative bacteria, but still some of the vegetative bacteria which are not destroyed by them are the most of the mycobacteria, and they are also not capable of destroying the non-enveloped viruses. They cannot destroy the endospores. Naked viruses are also incapable of the destroying by those. Therefore, they are used for the disinfective furnitures, floors, walls, and operating rooms, and chemical treatment of the soldiers. So, why the enzyme effects? Whether we are going to destroy the chemicals. Chemicals have some specific kind of materials which will affect the enzymes which are present inside the virus. Usually, the combination of different enzymes can be used to destroy the virus. We will take again the example of the tobacco mosaic virus and the vaccinia virus, which are resistant to proteolytic enzymes such as the trypsin, which is already present inside the body. Similarly, they are made up of the nucleic acid, but even they are in the nucleic acid, they are not deactivated by the nucleic acid depolymerases, which are already present inside the body of the living organisms, and they are produced from the pancreas. But the viruses, and they have no effect on the nucleic acid of the viruses, ribonucleic acid and deoxyribonucleic acids. Organizations of the viruses different because it depends on the organization of the different viruses, and it protects it from enzymatic action and breakdown because of those enzymes which are present inside the body. There is one more discovery which was done by the Kohn, which was an important function that must remain intact for the virus to be infectious. These are three things which need to be in contact for the virus to remain as infectious. It must be able to attack the host cell, of course, inject the material into the host cell, and then able to replicate by using the host machinery. With these three things, the radiation acts in two ways on the virus. First, it triggers the chemical reactions that destroy the genome so it can no longer replicate itself in the host. It breaks the virus protein shells or capsid, and because of the virus, which is the genetic material inside, it will be broken and it will be not capable of the, if the shell is broken, there is no way the virus will inject inside the host cell and it can cause the disease. It will be possible to more effectively to combat viruses that infect the water and food, and for the radiation such as the viruses responsible for the polio, gastrointestinal disease, and the hepatitis A viruses will be easily destroyed by the radiation and capable of the gastrointestinal, the food stuff which will be protected from this way of the virus inactivation.